Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Lexi Aditya Saputra. You can call me Lexi. I'm from Bayan Otoba, East Java, and my name 23 in last number. Okay, here I will talk and will explain about mid test. Okay, for academic reading. Okay, the first part is general review of the article. Okay, brief explanation. The article is a scholarly research paper that centrally investigates a specific issue or topic within its field in present a research problem. Review relevant literature describe the methodology used, analyze the data completed, and discusses the findings in relation of assigned theme. The article structure typically includes sections as the title, abstract, introduction, literature review, research method, research and discussion. The article including. Okay, and the next relevance and significance. This study matters because it addresses a gap or unresolved issue in the existing body of knowledge. By providing new data, insight, or perspectives, the research can influence future studies, inform policy or practice, and contribute to theoretical development in the field. The understanding or overall practice application. Okay, so in the next steps, we can learning takeaways from this study. I can learn about the specific topic under investigation and its broader context, theoretical frameworks or models applied to analyze the issue, and such research methods and analytical techniques suitable for similar studies. Okay, and part two, section part by section analysis. Okay, let's talk about analysis article. Okay, the first, I would like to tell title. The title of a research article is conjunction constructed to sufficiently convey the main construct, focus, purpose, and sometimes the context of the story. A while crafted, the title should be significant enough to indicate the research question or variables studies while also being concise and informative. For example, it might include the population studied, the setting, and the main phenomenon or relation examined. Okay. And secondly, abstract. The abstract provides a summary of the article's main point, typical, including the research issue or problem addressed, the gap in assessing literature that the study aims to fill, and the third, the main focus or objective of the study. So, the abstract is focus in the research issue or problem, the first, and the second, the gap and existing literature that the study aims to fall, and the third, the main focus or objective the study. Yeah. And the next is a brief overview of the research method used. And the last, yeah, very general, the keyword. And the next steps, including article, is after introduction, after abstract. So we can in the next part is introduction. Okay, main issue or problem. The introduction defines the central problem or question the study seeks to address. If Auden explains why the issue is important within the faith and what is at stake if it remains as suffered. And second, response of previous studies. This section reviews pre-empirical research, summarizing what is already known, and likely areas of agreement or controversy. The review demonstrates how the current study fits into our diverging from existing knowledge. So in this part, we can talk about how in this issue and this page in this article you can talk about it. Okay, respond of purposes of studies. This section reviews prior imperial research, summarizing what is already known and neglecting agreement controversy. The review demonstrates how the current studies differ into or differs from existing knowledge. Okay, the next research gap and contribution. So after it, the next point is research gap and contribution. The introduction pinpoints a gap in the literature, something not yet explored or understood. The author then decides how the present study aims to fill this gap or other new perspective, thus contributing to advancement. And number four, literature review. During the foundation or main concept, the literature review outline the theory models or key concepts. They underpin the studies, this theoretical framework, guides the research design and development of research. And the next, relevant literature. The author's guide provides studies that support or relate to the theory and context the current research. Establish credibility and seducing the work within scholarship conversation. Other sentence, I will talk about it too. The review also refers how the other position themselves in relation to existing studies with other than our being human, challenging or revealing professional work. Okay, and the last is research method. Research, the first there is research design, context and participant recruitment. So intervention or if any and data collection and analysis. This article use that method. Okay. Um, the first the first is the method section or research design. The method selection details whatever the study use a qualitative, quantitative, or mixed method approach. The choice of design is just based on the research question and objective. Context and development, this part describes the setting of the research and how participants were selected, recruited, including transparency and reproducibility. An interview or if any, if the study involves an invention such as the treatment or educational program, this is described, including how it was implemented. And the last, data collection and analysis. The authors explain the tools and instruments used to gather data. The example, surveys, interview, and experiments. And the analytical technique employed statistic, telling coding, or procedures. This section also understands the steps taken to ensure reliability and validity. This structured approach to article analysis help you carefully engage with research